Hey guys, I'm going to show you how you can use Keak to automate your conversion rate optimization on your website. So the first thing you want to do is just visit your website. For this example, I'm going to use framer.com. So once you're on your website, just open the extension and then start selecting text that you want to generate variations for. So for this example, I'm going to do the main headline here. So just click on it and then click on generate variation. In the background, what Keak did is that it scraped the website and then used our fine-tuned model to generate variation. As you can see, it replaced the text with the first variation here. If you're not happy with this variation, you can always generate a new one by just re-clicking the generate variation button. I prefer the first one, so I'll go back to that one. If you wanted to do some manual changes, you just have to click in and start typing. Once you're happy with your headline and you're ready to launch a test, just click the test button here. Now what you have to do is select what page you want to optimize towards. So in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to optimize towards views on the thank you page. So I'm going to put framer.com/thank you here. And then you can name this page. I'm just going to name it thank you page. So basically what's going to happen now is that Keak's going to start A/B testing your headlines, and it's going to count the amount of people that visit this page on your website, in our case, the thank you page. And that's what's going to use to determine the winner. So once that's done, you could just click Start Test. And then here you can just name your test. So I'm just going to call it Headline Test Framer. You can set a minimum amount of impression you want the test to run for. The default is 1,000. You can just keep it like that for now. And then you can visit your dashboard. So if you don't already have the A/B testing script on your website, you can just copy it here and place it in your header. Once that's done and your test has started running, you'll start seeing data of your test here. You can click inside of each test to see some data. There's no data yet because we haven't started running yet. But you'll see kind of your two variations here. And you can always add some manual variations here. So if you wanted to enter a new test, you could do it here. And then what would happen is that as soon as this test reaches statistical significance, it would start the manual variation test. If you don't enter any manual variation test and you have autopilot on, what's going to happen is that as soon as your test reaches statistical significance, it's going to keep the winner. It's going to refine-tune your own AI model, and it's going to generate a new variation and launch a test with a new variation versus your previous winner. So your site's going to be consistently testing new variation and optimizing itself. So that's pretty much it for Keak. Thank you for watching the demo.